Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about compiler and interpreter. Friends, we know that computer program is written using a high level language. A program written in high level language called source code is not understood by the computer. It only understands the program written in zeros and ones in binary called the machine code. Therefore, source code written in any programming language should be translated into machine language. Following are the mentioned two types of translators to convert source code into machine code understood by the computers: compiler and interpreter. Now let us discuss about the compiler. It is a translator which takes input, that is high level language, and produces an output of low level language, that is machine or assembly language. Compiler is more intelligent than assembler. It checks all kinds of limits, ranges, errors, etc. But its program runtime is more and occupies a larger part of memory. It has slow speed because a compiler goes through the entire program and then translates the entire program into the machine code. Compiler produce Compiler process is shown in the following block diagram. So this block diagram shows compiler process. It takes input as a source program and converts into the object code, that is in machine language or assembly language. Every high level programming language except strictly interpretive languages comes with a compiler. Because compilers translate source code into object code, which is unique for each type of computer, many compilers are available for the same language. For example, there is a Fortran compiler for PCs and another for Apple Macintosh computers. Now let us discuss about the interpreter. So this block diagram shows the process of the interpreter. Interpreter is a program that executes instructions written in a high level language. It translates high level instruction into an intermediate form, which it then executes before moving on to the next line. If there is an error in the statement, the interpreter terminates its translating process at that statement and displays an error message. The interpreter moves on to the next line for execution only after removal of the error. Interpreters are often used in education because they allow students to program interactively. BASIC and Lisp are especially designed to be executed by an interpreter. After discussion of compiler and interpreter, let us see the difference between these two translators in a tabular form. Compiler scans the entire program and translates it as a whole into the machine code. Whereas in case of the interpreter, it translates program one statement at a time. Compiler, as it scans the code in one go, the errors, if any, are shown at the end of the end together. After compilation, errors are shown. In case of the interpreter, it scans code one line at a time. Errors are shown line by line. Compilers usually take a large amount of time to analyze the source code. However, the overall execution time is comparatively faster than the interpreter. Interpreters usually takes less amount of time to analyze the source code. However, the overall execution time is comparatively slower than the compiler. Next, generates intermediate object code, which further requires linking, hence requiring more time. In case of the interpreter, no intermediate object code is generated, hence are memory efficient. In case of the compiler, programming language, examples of the compiler used in the programming languages like C, C++, Java. So these languages use the compiler. Programming languages like JavaScript, Python, Ruby use interpreter. So these are the differences between compiler and interpreter. So today we discussed what is compiler, process of the compiler, and also discuss the interpreter. What is the process of the interpreter? Then we discuss difference between compiler and interpreter's process. So let us end our class at this point. Till next class, bye and have a nice day.